Hello and welcome. If you've been watching my N-scale train videos this winter, then you've already met two of my favorite diesels. They're both made by Atlas, representing the local Reading, Blue Mountain, and Northern Railroad. I have the MP15 switcher number 1542, which I bought for this switching layout, and I have SD50 number 426, which was the only locomotive painted for the Lehigh Gorge Scenic Railway. Today, I'd like to introduce you to the newest member of my N-scale family. Meet number 5049. It's another SD50 made by Atlas, and except for its paint job, it's identical to 426. It's a DC locomotive without sound, but it is DCC ready. It has lights in the front and rear, and it's equipped with knuckle couplers. Admittedly, it's not well suited to this small switching layout, but later this year it will be able to roam freely on the layout I'll be starting in the loft. The prototype was made by General Motors Electromotive Division in December 1984 for the Missouri Pacific Railroad. It was acquired by the Union Pacific Railroad before being sold to Reading and Northern, but it has always worn the number 5049 no matter which railroad it ran for. And if it looks familiar, you might remember that I filmed it passing through Tamaqua in May of 2021. Let's recreate that train the best we can with the N-scale cars in my collection. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you down the tracks.